A vaccine would have to block a single yet deadly cellular event. The virus bears a crown of spikes that can bind to a minuscule protein receptor on human cells, known as ACE2. A vaccine would encourage white blood cells to produce matching antibodies to defend against this attack. But today, even after billions of shots, the target itself is changing. Vaccines were designed to encourage white blood cells known as B cells to produce neutralizing antibodies. The virus is mutating to find ways to dodge this defense.
So the vaccines were typically designed against the original COVID virus, and the virus has changed. They're still very effective in preventing severe disease, even with the latest Omicron subvariants, but they're not as good at protecting against infection. So there's a little bit of a mismatch.
这个病毒再来看，没有想到这么复杂，确实没有想到这么复杂，持续的变异。
New studies are examining a less researched component of our immune system. T cells are known to recognize and attack parts of the pathogen that don't mutate quite as rapidly.
T cells are like the cleanup merchants in our immune system. They identify infected cells, kill those cells before they can produce lots of the virus. And so they play an important role, particularly in modulating disease severity. If you get infected, if you've got a better level of T cell immunity against that infection, you should be able to recover more quickly.
Dr. Ben Cowling and his colleagues at Hong Kong University have drawn interesting conclusions about our most widely distributed vaccines. Months after inoculation, both inactivated and mRNA vaccines provide as much as 98% protection against serious disease and hospitalization. And inactivated vaccines may be encouraging as many or even more killer T cells than other, more advanced platforms. A better understanding of our immune systems will lead to more effective vaccines in the future.
实际上，疫苗在人类就是100年左右的历史，但是我们整个的传染病那是几千年的历史了。我给你说几个数据吧，就是说，你比如说我们现在全人类的话，我们叫消灭天花，天花靠的就是疫苗，消灭了脊髓灰质炎啊，我们控制了麻疹，包括咱们中国控制了乙肝。就说如果没有疫苗，那么我们人类在2020到2021年度的话，可能要多死亡1980万到2000万人。你从这个角度来看的话，一定要相信，我们说疫苗是战胜传染病的终极武器。